Did you know Python wasn't named after the snake? Its creator, Guido van Rossum, loved the British comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus. That's why Python references often have quirky names like spam and eggs. Speaking of quirky, the Zen of Python, a list of 19 guiding principles for writing Python code, is hidden in the interpreter. Just type import this, and it'll print lines like, beautiful is better than ugly, and simple is better than complex. It's a fun Easter egg that reminds developers to keep their code clean and elegant, just the way Python was meant to be.